You searched how to buy shares of Fidelity National Information Services, Inc., a global fintech company that provides payment processing and banking software. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker FIS. And this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FIS to find the company listing. Make sure you select the result that matches Fidelity National Information Services, Inc. to open the correct page. On the asset page, you will see a short company profile and a price chart showing recent movements. Double-check the company name and ticker to confirm you have the correct FIS stock. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details carefully before confirming the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at market open, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the transaction. Once the order fills, your new position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. If you want to explore eToro, I left the link in the description for convenience.